You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. How do you say it? Well, there are indeed different pronunciations depending on the origin, the country, the language. The Spanish pronunciation is as Rosalia, okay? So you're going to have different pronunciation of the S and of the A's in particular. Rosalia, sometimes that's one of the English pronunciations, or Rosalia, or Rosalia, or Rosalia, French pronunciation Rosalia. So how do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments which syllable do you stress, and do you pronounce the S like a Z or a Z or like an S? Rosalia, Rosalia, Rosalia. How do you pronounce it? Those are the different pronunciations, and now you know. Let us know too. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.